Hey there everyone, it's Amy and I've got some fantastic things to share with you today. We've got our new holiday items. So just imagine sipping on your favorite hot or cold beverages in style, all while doing your part helping our planet. So that's exactly what you can do. We have some limited edition coffee cups. These are so cute. They remind me of being in a little European coffee shop. These are more than just drinkware. They're actually celebrating 25 years for Norwex radically reducing chemicals in our lives. They are so cute. They're made of ceramic. They have beautiful neutral tones that I love. These are actually tones that resemble what you would find in a Norwegian mountainside. So you get a set of 3 cups. They're perfect for sharing those moments with friends, right, throughout the holidays. And they're not only great for coffee, but tea, hot chocolate. I can actually see putting little snacks in here for our get-togethers during the holidays, maybe nuts in them, olives, things like that, or using them to store things on my counters. They're free from BPA and they're dishwasher and microwave safe. But if you're using them in the microwave, be careful because there's not a handle. You'll want to use, they get kind of hot, right? So you'll want to use an oven mitt or a little towel to take them out safely. So whether you're treating yourself or looking for some nice eco-friendly gift options this year, give these a shot. I think you'll like them. And the price point is amazing. Your loved ones will love that these benefit the planet. They are a fantastic choice. So have a great day and I'll see y'all real soon. Bye guys.